Today, I'm thrilled to talk about a topic that's not only close to my heart, but also essential for your success of your business: building your dream team with diversity. I'm going to share with you some invaluable insights and strategies to help you create a team that not only represents a diverse range of backgrounds, but also drives innovation, creativity, and success in your business. So don't go anywhere. Hi, I'm Jennifer Kem, but you can call me Jen. I'm the founder of the Master Brand Institute. Here, we guide founders, experts, thought leaders, and entrepreneurs to build a wildly profitable personal brand from the inside out through the power of team, identity, messaging, and experiences. I upload a new video every Friday, so be sure to hit that subscribe button down below, then click the bell icon so you're notified when new content is available. Now, let's get into today's video. I've had many white presenting leaders in the online space pull me aside and ask me how I got my audience to be so diverse. My answer? You can't speak about it. You have to be about it. You have to internally cultivate diversity, or you will never be able to organically attract it. Let's start by addressing a crucial question. Why is diversity so important? It's because diverse teams bring a wealth of perspectives to the table, sparking innovation, creativity, and effective problem solving. This variety of viewpoints can lead to innovative solutions, better decision-making, and a deeper understanding of your diverse customer base. Do you need proof? Well, research shows that companies with diverse teams are 35% more likely to outperform their competitors. Not to mention the immeasurable, intangible benefits to engaging in a diversity of thought and culture and living in alignment with your values. Now, let's dive into the 3 strategies that will help you build your diverse dream team. Strategy number 1, build an inclusive culture. For the purposes of this video, we're going to be focusing on cultivating diversity of opinion and thought within your team. Because guess what, friends? It all starts with you, the leader. As entrepreneurs, we must foster an environment where all team members feel valued and heard. Now, this is important because if your team doesn't feel safe and encouraged to speak up, they will eventually start to look for a more supportive environment, leaving your company to suffer from high turnover. However, fostering true employee diversity can often be more challenging in small companies because you have the constraints of limited resources, part-time contractors, and a requirement that the employees be aligned behind a single visionizer. That's you, the CEO. So how do you actually cultivate an environment where it's safe to be diverse? You encourage people to disagree with you. That sounds weird, right? I actually tell my team that they're not effectively doing their job if they see an issue and don't bring it to my attention. I need them all to be using their intuition and calling out for help if something smells off. This can often look like they are disagreeing with me, and that's okay. Because if they're not safe to tell me when I'm wrong, then no one is going to catch my mistakes, and that doesn't help anybody. So you have to let your ego not win here. Strategy number 2. Diverse hiring practices. Like I said earlier, you can't just speak about diversity. You have to be about it. Examine how well you're currently supporting people different from you. Do you invest in mentors who look like you? Do you promote and share other experts who are different from you? Does your business have any remnants of an old school predatory practice? Do you learn from and engage in community with people different than you? Do your job postings target people from a specific background? A discerning applicant will be able to see how you are through your branding and your social media presence, helping them decide if your company will support their flourishing or just profit off of their labor. Auditing the diversity of your branding can bring in candidates with untapped, awesome talent, and they're out there waiting to join your dream team. Strategy number 3, foster inclusive leadership. Here at the Master Brand Institute, we have core values. They are autonomy, justice, generosity, leadership, and legacy. However, we understand that those core values will be represented differently for each person on our team. For example, autonomy might look like any of the following: having the freedom to set their own schedule or arrange their work in a way that makes the most sense for you as long as they hit their results. Perhaps it's about wearing clothes in person and on Zoom that are appropriate, but they'll still make you feel comfortable and true to yourself. saying no to tasks or responsibilities that cause disproportionate energetic drainage and take away from results. I recognize that my team is not always going to speak like me or show up as me. As long as they do nothing to harm the brand, they are completely free to be themselves as they do their jobs. So ask yourself, what are your core values and how do you support your team to live by their version of those values? Remember, diversity isn't just a buzzword. It's a major strategic advantage and the future of successful entrepreneurship. It fuels innovation, drives creativity, and propels your business to new heights. Embrace inclusivity, optimize your recruitment and hiring practices, and nurture the growth of your diverse team members. And guess what? You'll watch your business soar. Let's make diversity a driving force in your entrepreneurial journey. Thank you for joining me today. I believe in you, and I know that with a diverse dream team, your unicorn team by your side, there's no limit to what you can achieve. And that's a wrap on today's video. Remember, this YouTube channel is all about helping entrepreneurs and CEOs understand how to easily transform their team into a unicorn team. If you want to better understand the overarching idea of building a unicorn team yourself, check out this video here. And if you found value in this content, please be sure to hit the thumbs up button below so we can get this video in front of more CEOs like us who need help growing our unicorn teams. Be sure to also hit the subscribe button and the little bell icon so you're notified when new content is released. I'm Jen Kem, here to help you get the right messaging and team support to build the wealth, power, and leadership you are meant to bring to the world. Until next time.